Day 15, we're on the road. Also, nice view. Also, I think so, today is supposed to be World Cup, but that's none of our concern. Because we have to make kilometers. Let's go.
Now I'm okay when I'm alone, but I'm better with you. If you could say it, you would say it too. You've been on my mind, honestly, all day. But we ain't got no time for the games you play. Just buy another round, won't you come my way? No one else around, baby, say my name. Cause you've been on my mind, honestly, all day. And we ain't got no time for the games you play. Ay, so margarita, ay, now sip it slow, ay, cause you know we ain't got no place to go. Can't find the words to explain it. Deep down, just can't keep you waiting.
Nope. Nope. Ich glaub's eher weniger.
I still can't give you a reason. If I could, don't think you believe them. Demons, can't you see them? They've been all surrounding me, don't know if I could beat them. Wouldn't be here without you, but now I'm here without you, even though it's by design. But I don't wanna say goodnight to you. No, I don't wanna say goodnight to you.
Okay, so it's nighttime. We're at the campground, and I heard France won the World Championship. Congratulations to France. We didn't go far today, like just 20 kilometers, because I have a problem with my knee, and that might make it a little bit harder to reach the kilometers we wanted to. So we might have to interrupt the trip, but we'll see about that in a couple of days. So for now, that's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. It's very peaceful here. Goodbye.
So margarita, ay, now sip it slow, ay, cause you know we ain't got no place to go.